Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W124 channel. On today's video, we will talk about the second-hand parts. As owners of these cars, we will always need some part at some point. So here I've got a few items, second-hand items, and there are some that we can buy second-hand, others that are not advisable, like for instance suspensions. Personally, I would never buy suspension second-hand because you will never know if they are toast, you will never know how long they would last, etc. For instance, if it's a motor like this one, obviously this can be tested, and if there's no play into it, then you know it's good. These motors, for instance, as well, are very nice. There's usually no problems. For instance, here I will try to rebuild a mirror. I was looking for the name, and then I've got another one here. So with the two, I will make one. Obviously I want to keep that blue because that will go on a blue car, okay? But sometimes we tend to buy a bit with trust, and this is what happened to me for this. For instance, I bought this, a grill for one of the cars, and I saw the photo, and I asked him if he was a genuine one, because obviously I've seen some from Taiwan. He told me, no problem, it's coming out of his 300D. And he told me there was no problem with it. So I said, okay, well, I bought it. 25 euro. So that's kind of cheap. But anyway, these parts we can ask for anything really, because... but anyway, the price looked good, and all I wanted really is just the chrome part. And that is dirty, it doesn't matter, because a good clean and it will come off nicely. At the back, normally there's a bit of rust, like all of them, it's normal. So anyway, I didn't expect anything new anyway, just for it to look a bit better on the car. End of story. Now I will show you the advert. And that's why I'm making that video, for you to be aware a bit of people, for you to ask questions, and to make sure that you don't have problems after. Okay, what you see here is the seller, and that's the grill that I bought. Okay, I'm going down a bit, so you put grill Mercedes W124 in good shape. What you see here is a lot of dust. Okay, so have a look at the photo. Okay, seems okay. Okay, doesn't seem to be damaged in any way. That's good. And that's the center, but the center obviously I don't need it, so I don't care. So I'm going back onto the photos, and okay, so that seems good, isn't it? Now let me show you what I've received. Now let me show you what I've received and why there was no picture from the back. Okay, so as I said, the front, this can be cleaned. There's no problem really. It's okay. At the back, now comes the problem. Obviously, this it's a very common problem. The rust. It's not really a problem. All of them are like that. The problem comes from where it is held. Let me show you. I hope you will see. I hope you will see it on the video. Can you see how it's twisted? Let's have a look at the second one. Second one, completely bent as well. This one is okay. So this one, look here. Let's see if you can see it that way. It's curved that way. Not sure if you can see it. But then we go worse. This one, can you see? It's coming out, completely out. Let me try and focus. And the worst is this one. Look here. It's missing a part. It's completely ripped. So now, obviously, when I look at this, and I can see it's bent here, bent there. What it tells me that this was on a car, and someone came and rip it off. Someone has ripped it from a car. Someone has stolen it. for sure. There's no two other ways that this will be in that state, and this is broken. I've never seen this in my life, because all you have to do really is to remove a few screws and it's out. So why it's all bent like that? It's because this has been stolen. Okay. So anyway, I've contacted obviously the seller, and I've told him, hey, what's happening with this? Because obviously I expected the back to be fine. And you know what he told me? For 25 euro, what do you expect? Do you expect something new? No, obviously I don't expect something new, but I expect something that can be fitted, not something that's metal bent and part missing, and obviously I don't expect that. I would show you some messages, but it's incredible. How people can lie, because when he sold it to me, he told me it comes from his Mercedes. Then after that, he told me that I don't know what I'm doing, etc., etc. That I tried to scam him. Then eventually I told him who I am. Not that I'm especially known, but if someone's got a Mercedes W124, usually they have seen some of my videos. And then he told me, is that you, Hervé, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I've seen all the videos, etc. And I said, well, yeah, so now obviously I've opened, a dispute with this. But he still won't recognize his fault. So, I don't know. I told him, well, do you know what I will do now? I will simply expose you, because I think it's shameful that people do this. This clearly has been stolen. There's no two other ways about it. What I'm trying to say with this video is, when you buy second-hand parts, check, double check, ask questions. If there's no photos, like me, I bought this without, I've just seen a photo like that, and I just assumed it's been unscrewed, just as it should be. And look at that, big mistake, big mistake. Okay, so whenever you want to buy something, just make sure, if there's no other photo, ask for more photos, ask if it works, ask if there's any problem, ask if whatever, okay, because they will save you a lot of problems later. So as I said, be very careful when you buy parts. Best if you can see the part itself, and if you have to buy on the internet, just ask questions. Okay. Now you've got the username of that person. It's on Wallapop. And in case he changed that, his name is Christian, and he lives in Sevilla, and in Spain, in the town of Guadalcanal. So in case you see that guy, you need to deal with him. Be very cautious. Okay. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.